Hello, everyone. Welcome to our performance management session. So, in the last few sessions, we have discussed about the profile management, goal management, how to assign the goals to goal plans and thus attach it to the staff. How do we see the notification when they complete the goals? So, every workflow notifications, how it can be achieved using the delivered notifications, the BI report notifications. We have seen all of that. Now we will, in this session, we will give a quick introduction about the performance management uh, and then do the basic navigation about for the performance management. So in our later sessions, we will go in depth. So performance management is also a part of talent management, where it is used to goal management. What we did is it is used to identify the multiple targets and then assign it to the staff so that they achieve it. So once they achieve it, we need to gauge that. So that is why we need to measure that performance and we need to track that. So that is where the performance management comes in picture. So that is to track and manage or measure the performance. And this is integrated with almost all the work areas or modules, sub-modules of talent management, which is profile management, goal management, competency, succession management, because the results has to be moved into other places. Now, like in this, the key feature that we need to know about the goal management is this performance management. Performance management. It is actually helpful for getting the evaluation and feedback. See here, there is goal management. We see how the goal is achieved. We measure that. See the success criteria. If it is met, everything would be gauged. What is the weights distributed for the goals? That would be done. Along with it, we also see the questionnaires feedback. So the feedback would be coming from all the corners, 360-degree feedback would be coming. And that helps to gain the different perspective about the staff. So we would be able to retain the good talents using the system. And this is how performance management is going to be very effective in it. And also, see, once the goals are assigned and if it is completed, we need to ensure that it is aligned with the organization objective. How do we do that? We use that by evaluating the goals. So that's why performance management is also going to add its importance. And now, since there is going to be a continuous feedback, continuous engagement with the staff, there is a continuous improvement that is going to happen. So that's also one of the key feature of performance management. So all of this helps um, the organization to manage the skills, the talents well. And one another thing that I need to say, how is the performance management is going to be available in the profile management is, in the profile management, under the profiles, we add the subscriber. We add the subscriber, either the goals, performance. So we select that, right? If you remember, if you have not yet went through the profile management, I recommend you go visit that once. So in there, we see the subscriber. If we have added the performance, that data can be used. That skills and qualification of the goal management, which has come as an output, that can be used to gauge the employee's performance as well. So that was about the basic concept about the performance management and the importance of it in the Oracle ERP. Now, in as part of this performance management session, we will be looking into these concepts, which are so what we are seeing here. This is like we had seen it in the goal management as well. It's like groundwork, lookup value, It is like call lookup table. What if there are any list of values fields, then we need a lookup value, and then in case what kind of lookup, system lookup, user lookup. So we need to be aware of them. Descriptive flex fields, like to add any additional fields that is not already there to that, and to add the data we use value sets. Profile options to enable disable any profile option that is needed or not required by the customer. Performance notification, cool notification we had seen earlier itself. In the same work area, we also can see performance, talent review, and success management work, profile management work area. So that notifications can be controlled. And so this is the groundwork we should be knowing. And then this, what we are saying, these are all prerequisites to start with the performance management. That is, we should be ready with a profile rating model. We need to have a profile rating model created as per the need. Review periods, eligibility profiles. Eligibility profile is to again filter the required employees and assign the performance documents to them. Performance roles. Performance roles is a different concept. We will see that it's like for different types of users who can access or perform different tasks. It's for that. Performance document types. It's simplest thing where which should be used in the next area, which is for the reviewing process. For evaluating process, that is, we will see what is the process flow, and then we segregate that template section, then created my performance template, questionnaire template. So these are all the review process. It's all part of it. In depth, we will break down this each concept in our future sessions. For now, just know that these are all the basics things that we need as part of performance management. Once this is all ready, we run the eligibility batch process to assign the performance document to the staff. So this is the basic thing. Let's go quickly to the system and see the basic navigation, how we can navigate for all the performance work areas. So as a HR, we would be doing all the configuration setups. And for that, we would go into performance work area. And this is the place. So what an administration, what is the setup that needs to be done? This is all neatly divided in the system. And each of this task, we will go in depth in the next session. For now, I'll wind up. We'll visit again in the next session to know how to create the performance template, performance sections, and rating period, review rating period. All of this concept we had already visited in goal management and profile management, but let's do it again. Let's use the review period that's already created, but let's create the rating model, and also let's visit all those descriptive flex fields, lookups that is available. So see you on the next session.